We are Labelf, a no-code platform for AI text classification. Today, we will train an AI to find us some sales leads. Do not let leads wait. If we let sales leads go through the ordinary queue, we are adding unnecessary friction to their buying process. Every second a lead is waiting in the support queue is a second where they might leave. You can teach Labelf to read your customer tickets and find your sales leads. Labelf can route your potential leads to a salesperson so you can optimize your queue for conversion. You can also send out customized offers to nudge them to a sale after the interaction. For telecom companies and broadband providers, we have made some sample suggestions. First, data plan has run out or is not enough. Maybe they want a plan upgrade. Others might say their phone plan is not enough. Let's offer an upgraded plan. Or they might indicate a dislike for their current phone or needs for a new phone. We can tell them about our new shiny phones. Maybe they think their internet is slow. Let's offer a better plan or a hardware upgrade. This depends, of course, on your business offerings and strategies. You might want something completely different. That's the beauty of Labelf. It's completely customizable, and you can do it yourself. We will now have a look at a finished model that can perform this. I will also show you how I built this model in 20 minutes. Let's have a quick glance at the metrics page. Here you can explore Labelf's performance at various confidence levels. Drag this slider to see if you can use Labelf when it is unsure or if it needs to be confident. Now to the fun stuff. Here we get an overview of the dataset and what Labelf think it contains. We can see how many potential leads we have and what type of lead it is. This can be a powerful tool to see how much untapped value you have on an old dataset. You could also use this group for targeted campaigns or measure the conversion rate of your sales team. Let's try it out. First, can it filter out non-sales leads? My computer is BF. We trained this to be a non-sales lead since we are selling phones and internet. I need a new phone, please. Yes, it is also quite confident in its prediction. Let's try its slow internet. My internet and Wi-Fi is not very fast. And it's slow internet. Let's try something similar. My Wi-Fi doesn't work. A normal support request. No mention. Let's try out the plan upgrades. I want unlimited data on my plan. Ready to buy a data plan upgrade. Let's switch it up. I want unlimited minutes on my plan. Ready to do a subscription upgrade. I trained this model in only 20 minutes on a dataset generated by an AI since I can't use sensitive data in an open demo. It's pretty impressive, right? Let's build it ourselves. We'll start with creating a model. Let's name it Upsell and Sales Opportunity. I talked about an AI-generated dataset earlier. Let's upload that. Let's give it a name and continue. Select the dataset and the column with the text that we would like Labelf to read. Let's go to our fresh model. There is nothing here yet. Time to train it. It's time to set up the labels. Let's add our first one. Slow internet. We can pick a custom color. Let's give it some examples. Doing this will speed up the process. My internet is too slow for streaming. We also want to find those that needs more data on their plans. I have run out of data on my plan. Our model will be single choice, meaning that our model has to pick one of the labels. Next, we are looking for those with a limited phone plan. I need a plan with more call minutes. It's now time for those who needs a new phone. Let's make it green. I do not like my current phone. What can be done about it? And last but not least, the type of request that should not go to our sales team. Let's call it no mention. We'll add a bunch of examples here. I have an issue. We are ready to start teaching Labelf. All we have to do is read through the text and show Labelf where it belongs. This makes custom AI training a breeze for anyone. Labelf curates your training examples so your time spent training Labelf is highly optimized. We get batch recommendations that really improves the speed. If we spend an afternoon doing this, we will have something ready for production. It's amazing how fast Labelf learns, but sometimes we have to correct the recommendations. We have now added 20 examples, and Labelf will read through us teaching examples and give us even larger batches of recommendations soon. When we are correcting Labelf like this, we are feeding it examples where it's wrong and should correct itself. This is a great way to teach it fast, optimizing your time. This is a tricky one. I don't know where to put it, and this might be subjective. This is also something the model might struggle with later. Remember that all the examples we are reading through is generated with AI, and this might have some benefits for you. If your data is highly sensitive, we could train a model for you without even looking at your data. Maybe you don't even have any data for the task you would like to perform. No worries, we got you covered. Just reach out to us and we can help you. I spent a total of 20 minutes setting up and training this model to get an impressive performance. For your time's sake, we will speed some of it up, so we can try it out faster. If you torture the data long enough, it will confess to anything. Let's call it. It's time for you to do your own training. It's free, so sign up today at labelf.ai.